What's happening, everyone? It's JP here from cryptohobby. Hope you're all having a great day today. I have got some really good news about Krios, and I wanted to make a quick video and share that with you. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so that you can hear about all the latest opportunities on ICOs and other things that might come along. So let's get right to it. Today I got an email from Krios going over several things, and one of the things in the email that they talked about was, I'll just read it to you, we are giving away 5 million tokens. Anyone that purchases this week goes into the drawing to possibly win one of 10 prizes of 500,000 Krios tokens. So 10 packages of 500,000 Krios just for ordering this week. So Krios is in their final week of their ICO, and they are, I believe they're over on the 16th, which is Friday, week from tomorrow, so they've got about a week left. So it says, we've been blown away by the support and hope you can take advantage of the special offer if you were thinking of grabbing some for yourself. KRI, and you know, if you can get entered into a drawing of to win 500,000 tokens, then I think that's pretty good. For those of you that don't know what Krios is, I have a couple other videos that I've done, and I'll leave a link to those so that you can watch them. But it explains very thoroughly what it is. Basically, their vision is to become the world's leading social media marketing platform. By 2021, we aim to make up over 10% of the industry. Now, that is ambitious, but very doable. Very doable. They're gaining a lot of traction. These guys are really starting to pick up. I'm seeing them everywhere now, and I do follow them on Twitter, and you know, they post a lot of things on there, and they also have a Telegram. If you have Telegram, you can subscribe, or you can join their chat and just check out the latest things that are going on. But it's a solid platform, and they have a great team. They're going places. So this is a good time to get in, since it's the very last week of the ICO. It's been going on since November. The pre-ICO was in November, and then January 8th is when the regular ICO started, and it's going to go till the 16th. They're 10 cents a piece. So, and you can use my coupon code that I'll include in the description below, JP10, JP10. You can use that when you check out, and you'll get an additional 10% tokens on your order. So, and it won't show up on the order when you actually place it, but when they send you your tokens, that's when it'll show up. So so you can take advantage of getting an extra 10% on top of what you're already purchasing. Plus, you can get entered into a drawing where they're giving away 5 million tokens. You could win 500,000 of them. So it's very exciting. That's very, very good. And I'm glad that they reached out and let me know this. And so I just wanted to share that with you real quick, and as I receive any other good news, then I'll be sure to pass it along to you. But if you like what you see, as I said, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and hit the notifications button, and I'll be uploading lots of updates on these and other opportunities that come along. And as you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you my opinion, and as I learn, as I go through this journey, I'm just going to go ahead and share everything with you so that we can learn from each other. And if you have any comments about anything, just go ahead and leave those below. So I appreciate everything, and I'll let you know if anything else comes up. Thanks, and have a great day.